Oh, Kunle.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm okay. Don't you ever knock?
To enter where? Your house. Our house. What do you mean by that?
You are just a bushman.
I know. So, how far with work?
Fine. And I believe by that work you've been your match.
Yes, now, you know now. How far?
Well, I found one for you.
Really? So, how does she look?
She's 6'3", black belt in karate, and she used to be in the army.
What? Are you serious?
Gotcha!
You're not serious. I was wondering, after you 6'3", black belt, army. Oh, where will I run to?
You... Who is it? Who is it? Oh dear.
Who's that?
The devil.
Devil?
Hey, what's happening?
Thank you. Hey, good boy. Give this boy money. Give him 5,000 naira and let him go. Thank you. You are a good driver.
Where are you going with all these bags?
I have come to stay a few days.
Wait.
What property of yours is missing that you're looking for on me? Why are you looking like somebody who has never seen Onitsha Bridge before?
All right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, Makachuku, don't let me vent my anger on you. Don't let me vent it on you. I hope my room is ready.
Yes.
Bring this bag. Bring the bags in.
Kune,
Yes.
can you help me with this?
You said something just now.
Help me to carry one of these bags.
Look at my skin very well. Dark skin. Yours light. This is your house. I'm just a visiting friend. This is an internal problem. I am an external body, which means I am not part of your family. And besides, I have never seen Onitsha Bridge before. So, carry your load.
Sumbo! Ogini, Sumbo, because I have come to stay a few days, you have suddenly become uncomfortable in your own house.
Well, it's a surprise.
I hope it is a pleasant one. Not that I care anyway.
Can I ask you what brought you out of your house?
Hey, Jehovah. Sumbo, my house is being fumigated.
But fumigation only takes hours.
Is that why you have that man with beards like a frustrated abagana he goat running around your house?
Be careful with the insults, Amaka. And besides, that's no way to talk to your benefactor.
Hey, Chineke. Benegini, you have suddenly become my benefactor because I have come to stay in your house for a few days.
Well, technically speaking, yes.
Yeah. Sumbo, if you don't have anything to do, go into your room and let me watch television.
Auntie Rogo.
Back to sender. Thomas Obiako. Back to sender. You are still sleeping at 7 a.m.
Auntie, it's Saturday and I don't have any school.
And because of that, you want to stay in bed till evening? My friend, get out of that bed. That's why the house is always in a mess. Chinwendu should have been firmer with you girls. Oh, yeah. Get out of bed. I want to meet you in that living room when I get there now. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Everybody! Tayo, wake up! Bumi! Wake up! Miss Pepper, is that how to clean a television? Madam Model, this is not a photo shoot at all. It is not a photo shoot. Get up. Get up!
What's going on? Why the noise?
Hey, is this not your girls that have become very lazy since they started living with you alone?
It's just 7:30. Why are you guys awake?
Yeah. Chineke. Case closed. A tortoise is slow. A tortoise is slow. Remove the house from the tortoise. Why won't your girls be as lazy as a leper's left hand? When you, their father, think that it is right to be sleeping at 7:30 a.m.
It's a Saturday, for crying out loud. Can't you give them a break?
What break? What break would they give them in their husbands' houses? Or you want to leave them here and not let them go to their husbands' houses?
No, I won't. I know what happens to women who don't marry on time.
Hey! Hey! Chineke. Amaka Philomena Uzochukwu. Chineke. Sumbo. Insult me. Go on and insult me. Insult me. Is that not your plan? Insult me. As your mouth is doing wow, 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 wow like that. Go on and tell the whole world that I am not married.
I've said what I want to say.
Yeah.
I can't do this. I just cannot do this.
She's even worse than I remember.
You're right. But she's usually not this bad.
Oh, please, she's always mean. Yeah, but not this mean.
You know what? Dad says we can't go and stay somewhere else this weekend, right?
Yes.
But he didn't say we can't go out, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Guess what we're going to do? No matter where we go to, and no matter how long we stay, we just make sure we come back home and we sleep home.
Okay.
Cool. So that way we don't have to be stuck with Auntie Amaka.
Thank God.
Yay! That's right.
But there's a little problem. I think Dad might smell a rat if we tell him we're all going out together.
You have a point there. So we don't tell him at all. Genius.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. So, tell me about this village hottie that has one kid.
Who told you she has one kid?
So, how many does she have?
5.
What? 5? You're kidding me, right?
Wishing I was, bro.
5.
She has 5.
Good. Come in.
Good day, gentlemen.
Good day.
Please, I would like to see Sumbo Shadare.
Yes, I am.
Please, can we speak privately?
Okay.
Can you wait for me outside?
Thank you.
Go. I'll be here. Any noise, I'll be with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for the intrusion, but I need your help. My name is Ali Lampang. I'm Amaka's boyfriend.
Which Amaka?
Your sister-in-law.
You mean Amaka has a boyfriend?
I know she can be quite a handful sometimes, but I do really love her. Anyway, we had a quarrel 2 days ago, and she left my place in anger. I've been looking for her ever since. She won't even pick any of my calls.
She came in yesterday, but she's not in right now.
I know she has a temper, and she could be quite interesting when she's angry. But I need you to help me talk to her and apologize on my behalf.
I don't think I'm the right person to talk to Amaka. The truth is, she hates me with a passion.
She respects you, Sumbo. That I can tell you.
Amaka respects me.
Don't be fooled. She does.
No problem.
Oh, you're back.
I will call you back. Sumbo, I am still there.
How was your outing?
Ogini. Sumbo, are you okay? Where are the girls?
They've gone out.
Here. Oh,
Ali was here.
which Ali?
Same one. Your boyfriend.
Which stupid boyfriend is that? Let that idiot not disturb me.
He said he was sorry and that he really loves you.
Oh, Kolima. Ilo? Love of onye ebe. And you, Sumbo, you have now become his messenger of love, eh?
No. I'm just a guy who is trying to help another guy. He really loves you and he misses you.
Sumbo. And what would you know about love? Answer me. Of all the people in the whole wide world, you are the last person who should be talking to me about love. What you did was the ultimate betrayer. Don't come and talk to me about love. Sumbo.
I'm sorry, but it just happened.
Yeah. Chineke me. No, Sumbo. It doesn't just happen. How can you leave your girlfriend for the older sister and you say it just happened? Sumbo. How could you? How could you? Look, I tried to hate Chinwe, but I could not. But you see you? Until I die, Makachuku, I will hate you. Don't come and talk to me about love. Ha, Sumbo.
I knew what I did was wrong. But you wouldn't believe it. I still can't forgive myself for it. Deep down, you are a wonderful person. And you have a lot of love to give. Don't let what happened deprive some guy out there of the love they deserve. You can hate me for all I care. You need to start loving life and living it. Ali loves you immensely, and it deserves a second chance.
Like Bama. Did he tell you what caused the quarrel?
No.
I just saw Ali chatting happily with one of my cousins. That is all.
And you were jealous.
Sumbo, is that not how it starts? Your he-goat tendencies, is that not how it starts? You know each other. Please.
Tayo. See, Auntie Amaka said I should call you. Okay.
I'm sorry if I woke you girls up too early. I want to thank you for indulging in my excesses. I make breakfast just like your mother would. Fried eggs, sausages, boiled yam, all of it.
It's true. She actually did make breakfast and it was nice, just like Mom's. I can testify to that.
Thank you. That must be for me. Come in. Come.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning, my angel.
Good morning. Give me 1 minute. Let me go and get my things.
Hope you stay for breakfast.
Oh, no, thanks. Already had something to eat.
I can see that it worked.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I owe you one.
You're welcome.
I am officially living your lives. Try not to miss me too much. I cannot believe that I will say this one day. But Sumbo, thank you.
Okay then.
All right.
Daddy. Stop. Stop, Joe.
But what happened?
My lips are sealed.
That's not fair. Tell us now.
Oh, Allah, Papa.